Welcome back, fellow fish enthusiasts, to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic for you: koi fish care. These stunning creatures require special attention and care to thrive in your pond. So, let's dive right in. Before we begin, let's understand the basics. Koi fish, known for their vibrant colors and graceful swimming, are a type of ornamental carp. They originate from Japan and have been cherished for centuries. To keep your koi happy and healthy, there are a few essential factors you should consider. Point 1. Air water quality. Maintaining excellent water quality is crucial. Ensure the pond is properly filtered and aerated. Regular water testing will help you monitor pH levels, ammonia, nitrites, and nitrates. Keep those parameters in check for optimal health. Point 2. A pond size. Koi fish need ample space to swim and grow. A rule of thumb is to allow at least 500 gallons of water per adult koi. Keep in mind that they can grow quite large, so plan accordingly. Diet should be a mix of high-quality pellets, fresh vegetables, and occasionally treats like shrimp or worms. Feed them 2 to 3 times a day, but be mindful not to overfeed, as excess food can harm water quality. Point 4. A pond environment. Koi fish thrive in a well-designed and balanced pond. Incorporate aquatic plants to provide shade, hiding spots, and natural filtration. Also, consider adding rocks and gravel to create different depths, which allows the koi to explore and exercise. Point 5. A temperature and seasonal changes. Koi fish are hardy, but extreme temperatures can stress them. In colder regions, a pond heater or de-icer can prevent ice formation, ensuring oxygen exchange. In hotter climates, provide shade and additional aeration to keep the water cool. Point 6. Air disease prevention. Like any other living beings, koi fish can fall ill. Quarantining new fish before introducing them to your main pond can prevent the spread of diseases. Observe your fish closely for any signs of illness and promptly consult a veterinarian specializing in aquatic creatures. Finally, point 7. Enjoy and observe. Koi fish are not just beautiful, but they also have distinct personalities. Take the time to sit by your pond, relax, and observe their behavior. It's a therapeutic and rewarding experience. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to koi fish care. Remember, a well-maintained pond and proper care will help your koi live long and healthy lives. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching, and happy koi keeping!